Hey folks, how's it going? So today I'm freezing cold, as you can see. I'm on the waterfront here in Icy, and I had come out to do a video on settings when you're taking photographs. But of course, I forgot that it's winter and we won't have any flowers or foliage really that I had intended to use. But I'll keep looking, see what happens. And in the meantime, I have some other footage and stuff and some other shots I took this morning. So yeah, stick around. I hope you enjoy it. So I had found this for a subject matter, but of course the wind has picked up and it's not really working for me. I think I might have to rethink this video and attempt it some other day, because I'm actually holding it right now, but if I let it go, that's what happens. But it's the way it goes, you know. Doesn't always work out for us. Still had a fun afternoon, so I can't complain too much about that. I took a photograph on my own of this at f2, and I'll post it up and you can have a look at it. This light at the moment is amazing. Just trying to work the whole area and get a good composition. Clouds are pretty cool too. Yeah, colors. So today didn't go to plan. That's okay. But no, here, trying it, I'm doing it. So yeah, still I hope I enjoyed this little video put together. So let me know what you think.